if I was doing this on my own, I wouldn't have known where to start. So it's given me a clear path to be able to set on, to be able to implement a sort of strategy, to be able to reach out to these new clients. I joined Boardroom to get a better insight into how to approach marketing and bring in new clients for the business. A large proportion of my marketing to date has been referrals, which has been quite successful to date over the past 5.5 years. But I do need to expand my client base to be able to continue growing my team. Since I've joined the Boardroom, I've been investing my trainees' time in reaching out on LinkedIn and connecting with new potential clients. So far, I've had about a 30% success rate with reaching out with cold connection requests, which I think is pretty good. And I'm currently in the process of developing my sell by chat script to implement this to new connections. Most of my interaction has been with Kirsty, and she's been great to work with. She's been able to steer my thoughts into the structure of looking at how my revenue is based in my company, which is something that I've never really looked at. She's provided me with insights on how to move forward with implementing all these strategies. I would say it's definitely worth investing your time in. It's given me some very clear strategies, and I dare say it would give other business owners some clear strategies. And it doesn't really matter what level tier company you've got, whether it's a very small team like I've got, or whether you've got a mid-sized team or a larger team. I see all of the strategies working for everyone, no matter what size team you've got.